Hello world, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you some Gboard tips and tricks. So without any further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1. Inserting special characters. We all type a lot of text from our phones these days, and we do type pretty fast, don't we? But when it comes to inserting special characters, our speed slows down as we have to search for these characters by pressing the numbers button. To ease up this, I have a trick for you. Go to language and input options in your settings, select virtual keyboard, go to Gboard and then select preferences and then scroll to the bottom, and there you'll find an option called long press for symbols. Toggle that on. Now you can press and hold the keys of the symbols you want to enter. Pretty handy, isn't it? Tip number 2. Cursor-like navigation. When we type a long sentence and then there is a mistake in the middle of the sentence, we normally click on the word which has a spelling mistake. What happens is we tend to click the letter which has a spelling mistake, but instead it gets clicked elsewhere. To reduce this hassle, you can press and hold the spacebar key and then move your finger to either left or right, wherever you want to navigate to correct the spelling. Super easy, right? Tip number 3. Fast typing. Texting gives a lot of pain to our fingers, but we cannot stay without texting. We often use some sort of common statements like "How are you?" "When shall we meet?" and so on. To give a little bit of relief to our fingers, we can just type 2 or 3 or even maybe a single letter to get the complete sentence we want. Go to settings and select language and input option from settings. Click on personal dictionary and then add your favorite words. You can now just type the shortcut keys for the sentence and then tap the center option on the Gboard. Cool, right? Tip number 4. Quick delete. Since we type a lot, there can be some mistakes, and while typing we only see the keyboard and type. After completing the typing, we find that the entire sentence had spelling mistakes and then we had to delete it. Rather than pressing the delete key, we can press and hold the delete key and then drag it towards the left side to select the words you want to delete. Much faster, right? Tip number 5. Hide app icon. If you want to hide the Gboard app icon from the app drawer, go to settings and select language and input options. From there, click on virtual keyboard. Select Gboard and then go to advanced options and then switch the toggle to turn show app icon off. It will take some time. There you go, the app icon is now hidden. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did so, please hit the like button. If you want to see similar videos like this, let me know in the comments below. For more tech videos, travel vlogs and much more, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos. See you guys in the next video. Until then, have a good day.